Hi friends, welcome to the Forgotten Lore. How are you? I believe all of you are fine. I am also fine. Everything is fine. All is well. Come on friends, today let us enter inside our channel The Forgotten Lore. Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about papaya, that means raw papaya. About papaya fruit already we have discussed in our previous videos in our channel. So today we are going to discuss about the unripened young papaya. So we are going to see one recipe, and then we will discuss about its health benefits and medicinal properties. I will give its scientific classification also. This is scientifically known as Carica papaya. So about this we will discuss. I will give the recipe of raw papaya raita. That means babali pachadi. We are going to prepare that one. I will give the recipe of that. So to prepare that, I am going to harvest one unripened papaya. So I have harvested this papaya, tender papaya. So without any damage, I have collected it. So now we have to cut and peel it. So while cutting, definitely we will get the milk. The milk is nothing but papain. Papain will ooze out from this raw papaya. It has high medicinal value. So about this also we will discuss. So while cutting, we have to, all this papain will come out. We have to remove this one because we are not going to eat as such. So after cutting, we have there are plenty of seeds. We have to remove these seeds from the placenta, and these seeds are also having medicinal value. We will discuss about that in another video. So I have collected the seeds and I am going to preserve it. I will sun dry it and I will preserve it. So this part of papaya I am going to use for the preparation of raita. So this papaya as such we are not going to use. Since it is rich in papain, we have to steam boil it. So I have cut and I have removed the skin. The peel of the papaya is removed now. So this one I am going to steam boil it. As such we can eat like carrot, raw papaya also we can eat. Little quantity only we have to eat because we all know it has papain content. So if we eat more raw papaya, some people will get stomach pain. So only the little bit I am going to eat raw, and other things I am going to steam boil it. So how we will steam the fruits and all and other vegetables, no, in the same way I am going to steam boil it. In the vessel I have put the water, and I have put this plate for steam boiling, and I am placing the cut and peeled papaya pieces. Then keep it closed for few minutes. We need not cook it like idli. We have to just steam it in order to remove the papain. That is, the raw papain has high effect. So in order to suppress the effect of that papain, we have to steam boil it, and we have to grate the steam boiled papaya. Even we can cut it into small pieces and then we can use. So like if we grate like this, it will be delicious to eat. So I have grated like this. How we will grate coconut, carrot and all, no, in the same way we have to grate it. And along with papaya, the small piece of ginger also I am going to grate, and I will add 2 green chilies I am adding with this, and little of coriander leaves for garnishing and to increase the flavor. So coriander, grated papaya, ginger, curry leaves, then green chili, long slit green chilies. These are all the main ingredients. With this needed quantity of salt also we have to add. So one by one we are going to add this in the thick curd. So to make raita we will use curd. So in that I am adding the grated papaya, then cut coriander leaves, grated ginger, then curry leaves also I have cut it into small pieces and I am adding, that will increase the flavor, and I have added long slit green chilies. With this needed quantity of salt we have to add. So now it is ready, we have to just mix it. So this is a papaya raita. With this, to increase not deliciousness, this is as such, this is highly delicious. To increase the quantity and to as like garnishing, I am going to add a little piece of grated carrot also. So I have grated one small carrot and I am adding with this. It is like garnishing. This will give some flavor and color to this raita. So now the raita is ready. It will be very very delicious, friends. This is a very simple food. Anytime we can take. In this we did not add onion. This is onion free. So now we will discuss about the health benefits and medicinal properties of papaya, raw papaya. It is told that raw papaya is the powerhouse of most of the enzymes. We all are eating the papaya fruit, but when the papaya is collected and consumed green, it retains most of its natural enzymes. It has a lot of active enzymes when it is raw. Two most important enzymes which are present in raw papaya are chymopapain and papain. Already I told about papain, that is oozing out like milk. So these two are the main important enzymes present in this raw papaya, and these enzymes are helping to our body in breakdown of protein, fats and carbohydrates, particularly to promote health of the digestive tract. This raw papaya is highly beneficial to us. Not only enzymes, it has many nutrients, so that it is acting as powerhouse of nutrients also. Raw papaya is rich in carotenoids. It is told that carotenoids which are present in carrots and tomatoes are lesser in quantity. That means high quantity of carotenoids present in this raw papaya than carrots and tomatoes, and this carotenoids which are present in this raw papaya is highly available, that is bioavailable to our digestive system and to our body, since it is rich in fiber. It is acting as an internal cleanser in our body. It cleanses our colon and our digestive tract. Any fecal material which have been stored inside our digestive system is cleared and removed by this raw papaya. That is the reason most of the people are eating this raw papaya in the grated form. Even for elderly people, that is good. And it is told that it is helpful in chronic constipation, diarrhea, piles and acidity also. Topical application of this green papaya and even consumption of this green papaya is helpful in the removal of dead cells in our body, so that rejuvenation is highly possible, and it has become one of the best beauty product in our kitchen, and it increases the living flavor of our kitchen. We can say that this is also a living pharmacy. Green papaya juice increases and boosts our immunity and increases our health. This green papaya is helpful in improving digestion because of the presence of the enzyme papain. This papain acts as a digestive enzyme. In some cases it is acting as a supplement, and it is recommended as a supplement in case of reduced secretion of gastric juice. Since raw papaya, that means green papaya, has anti-inflammatory properties, it is helpful to the patients who are suffering with asthma, osteoarthritis, gout, rheumatoid arthritis, and in vitamin C and vitamin A deficiency cases. It is very helpful in improving the inflammation in case of active and passive smokers. This raw papaya is helpful in decreasing the inflammation in the lungs since it is rich in vitamin A. Green papaya juice is recommended as a treatment for inflamed tonsils. As I told earlier, green papaya juice is very good for skin infection. That means it cures skin infection. In case of psoriasis, topical application of papaya juice is recommended, and it is a curative measure for acne, skin pigmentation, freckles, and also to inflamed skin. Since it is rich in antioxidants, it is acting against bad cholesterol. That means it arrests bad cholesterol, so that it is helpful in the prevention of a stroke or heart attack. In case of female, it eases menstrual pain, and it also prevents menstruation cessation by regulating the flow. In some cases, it is controlling the bowel movement, so that it is a very good measure to remove constipation, indigestion, acid reflux, that is gastrointestinal problems, ulcers, as well as heartburn. This reduces the chances of heart ailments by checking the sodium content which is present in our body, and it is a very good measure for maintaining the body weight. Particularly in case of losing weight, it is very helpful since it is rich in vitamin A and E. Vitamin A which is present in this papaya is little bit different from vitamin A which is present in other vegetables. This kind of vitamin A stimulates the secretion of ovarian estrogen and female hormones, and it increases the production of breast enhancing hormones. Coming to the phytochemical analysis of papaya, it is rich in precursors of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B complex, folates, minerals, and digestible fiber. It is rich in antioxidants, low in sodium, low in calories, high in potassium, and it is zero in cholesterol. Papaya skin, that is the peel of the papaya, and seeds contain numerous phytochemicals including phytophenols. In case of papaya fruit and other parts of the tree contain papain. This papain is a protein digesting enzyme which is also used for tenderizing the meat in industries. Consumption of papaya prevents blood vessel damage, and it reduces the frequency of strokes and heart attacks. The folic acid converts homocysteine into benign amino acids, and these enzymes makes the blood thin, and it increases the clotting time. Since it is rich in vitamin A and E, it is acting as an excellent protective action against macular degeneration. Topical application of papaya lightens the skin, and it gives relief from acne. It is used as a topical application in the treatment of ringworm, and it has the capacity to control dandruff. It prevents the oxidation process of cholesterol, so that it is reducing the chances of atherosclerosis, and it is reducing the chances of heart diseases. It improves immunity due to the presence of vitamins C, E, and A. So friends, thank you for watching the video patiently. Whenever you get time, kindly watch all my videos and give me your precious comments and feedback in the comment section, so that I can improve my channel and my way of presentation. Kindly support me and encourage me by supporting and subscribing my channel. So friends, meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. See you. Bye bye. Best wishes.